Good morning, fourth class children. Now today I am going to explain the new chapter, that is addition and subtraction. We are already familiar with the concepts of adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers, children. Let us see some numbers. What is this symbol? Addition symbol. Plus means addition. So add these numbers, children. 6 plus 8 how much? Take 8 fingers, count 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 is carry forward, 4 is in answer place. Next 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Hundreds place. 3 plus 2, 5. In additions, subtractions and multiplications, we will start from the ones place, that is our right hand side, from our right hand side, children. Next one, 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 is carry forward, 3 is in answer place. 1 plus 8, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Next one. 8 plus 4. Take 4 fingers, count 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 is carry forward, 2 is in answer place. Look here. 9 plus 1 how much? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 6, 16. Next 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. This is a 4-digit number, children. Look. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4-digit number addition. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count 8 after. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 is carry forward, 3 is in answer place. Next, 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8? How much? 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Next one. 6 plus 9. Count 6 after, take 9 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 is carry forward, 5 is in answer place. Next, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 5, 7. Next one, 2 plus 4. Take 4 fingers, count 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 7. Take 7 fingers, count 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 is carry forward, another one is in answer place. Next, 3 plus 8. Take 8 fingers, count 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1 is there, carry. 11 plus 1, 12. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. These are the additions, children. Next look. Subtract the following numbers. Subtract the following numbers. What is this symbol? Minus. Minus means subtraction. Look here. 9 minus 2. How much? Take 9 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 7. Next, 5 minus 6. Is possible? No. Take borrow. 4 becomes 3. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 9. side, 0 on left side. Next 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Next one, 6 minus 8. Is it possible? No. Get borrow from the next place. 5 becomes 4. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8. 8 2s are 16 na? We are subtracting 1 8. So another 8 is there. Another 8 is remaining there. So 8. 16 minus 8. 8. 4 minus 2. 2. 3 minus 2. 1. Next 4-digit subtractions. 4-digit subtractions children. Look. 8 minus 7. How much? 1. 0 minus 2. Not possible. Get borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2. 8. 2 minus 7. Not possible. Get borrow. 5 becomes 4. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 12. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 5. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Next, 2 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 7. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 0, 8. 0 minus 9, not possible. Again get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. Last one. 3 minus 9, not possible. Get borrow. 4 becomes 3. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 13. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. 3 minus 7. Again borrow. 5 becomes 4. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7. Count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 6. 4 minus 8. Again not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Count 8 after. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Next, look into your course book children, page number 26. Sneha is a flower vendor. She makes bouquets every day for her customers. The table given below shows the total number of bouquets she made for 4 weeks. Based on this information, answer the corresponding questions. How many bouquets did Sneha make in 4 weeks? How many bouquets did Sneha make in 4 weeks? Means here addition. 4 numbers you will add. Next, combine the number of bouquets Sneha made in the first 2 weeks and then last 2 weeks separately. Then find the difference between them. Here you will add these 2 numbers and these 2 numbers. Then you will get the 2 answers and then you subtract those 2 numbers, children. What is the first question, children? How many bouquets did Sneha make in all 4 weeks? In all means addition. So add these 4 numbers here, children. 8 plus 6. How much? 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. Okay. Again, 8 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to here you will get 14. Again 14 plus 8. Take 8 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 plus 6. 22 after 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20. So 2 is carry forward, 8 is in answer place. Next, 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 4. 13 after. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 9. 17 after. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 plus 2 carry is there. 26 plus 2, 28. Next, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 1288 bouquets are made in 4 weeks. Next question. Combine the number of bouquets Sneha made in the first 2 weeks. First you will add these two numbers, children. 288 plus 356. You will get one answer. Next, the last 2 weeks and add the last 2 weeks separately. These two numbers you will add separately. 348 plus 296. Then separate then find the difference between them. So first you add these two numbers, children. 8 plus 6. How much? 14. 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1. 14. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 644. Next add these two numbers. 8 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1. 14. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 644. Both the numbers are same. Difference means subtraction. 644 minus 644. What is the answer? The numbers are same. Then you will get 0. Okay, children. You will also write the answers in course book, page number 26, like this, children.